What's been your read on the antitrust concerns for investors ahead of this case?
Well, antitrust and regulatory concerns have been issues for Google investors for the better part of 7 years now. We haven't seen anything materially impact Google's earnings, its cash flow, its revenue. And I think that it's leaving aside I'm not a lawyer. I don't have an opinion on the sides of the case, but I think most investors don't believe that something like this is going to materially impact that Google going forward. They think that that's too much of a stretch.
All right, so not really seeing the risk priced into the stock right now, but I do have to ask you, so if Alphabet loses, what does that mean for the ratings in your coverage universe?
Well, and it depends how they lose. There's a couple of clear facts here. Google is the dominant search engine. It does have about 90% share, and they spend approximately $30 billion a year in what are called traffic acquisition costs. They share some of the revenue that they generate off of searches. They share that revenue, or they pay that revenue, depending on how you want to look at it, with Google, with Samsung, with Verizon, a series of other companies. So, if they lose the case, depending on how they lose, maybe their market share would be at risk. It certainly would be at risk. They would also get to avoid paying up to $30 billion a year that directly negatively impacts its earnings. So how the play on that would affect its overall earnings is a real unknown. I'm sure that Google and most investors would assume that Google would maintain most of its market share, but probably not all of it, because consumers always have the ability to go find Google, go install the search app, go find and install Google's browser too. So a lot of that share they would maintain, and there's a scenario here, under the worst case scenario, where they are no longer allowed to make these deals, where they actually could see a surge in earnings because they cut out the cost but only lose a modest amount of market share. So again, that's why most investors see this as, until proven otherwise, as a likely non-event.
All right, so likely a non-event, at least in the eyes of investors. Seems like you share that opinion as well. But I do have to ask, let's say Alphabet loses this, they no longer pay, and they don't have the same market share. Is this a window for Bing that's now AI-powered, or even DuckDuckGo, something I haven't thought about in years right there? Is that a real window for one of these search engines to gain meaningful market share?
Yeah, now, Frank, of course, there's a little bit of irony in all this. The last major antitrust case had to do with Microsoft, and the potential winner out of this were Google's market share to be clipped would be Microsoft. They'd be the most obvious potential beneficiary. A wild card here is, would this inspire, energize Apple to develop its own search engine, which would be a very costly process, and I don't think is a likelihood, but it is a possibility. So, yeah, this would create opportunities for other search engines, no question about it. If Google is no longer allowed to negotiate these distribution deals, it certainly would create the opportunity for another search engine to come in, at least gain a couple of points of market share, and maybe 10 or 20 points.